Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Home Vlogs with me Divya Reddy.
Mushrooms are rich in nutrients and always good to incorporate mushrooms in our diet. Today I am going to prepare a very nice recipe, that is mushroom ghee roast.
Without wasting one more moment, let's get started.
For the mushroom ghee roast, first I am going to roast few ingredients for the masala. So first I am going to take a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. First I am going to take 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Stir them well and make sure to not burn the ingredients. Now add half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Stir them well and now add 3 red chillies. Stir them well. Roast all the ingredients for about a minute. Once you get a nice aroma, add few cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger finely chopped. And now add 3 small pieces of tamarind. After adding ginger, garlic and tamarind, roast for another minute. Now turn off the stove, cool the mixture completely, transfer the ingredients to a mixer jar. First I grounded without any water. Now add some water and let it grind into a fine nice paste. Now I am going to marinate the mushrooms, starting with juice of 1 lemon, half cup of curd, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli, 1 teaspoon of salt and the grounded masala paste. Mix everything together and make sure mushrooms have coated well with all the masalas. Let the marinated mushrooms sit for 20 minutes. Now I am going to start cooking the recipe. Take a kadai. Since it is a mushroom ghee roast, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 1 cup of onions finely chopped. Salt the onions till they are become transparent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it gently. Now add the marinated mushrooms. Gently mix it and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery. Mix it all together. Cook the mushrooms till the masalas are nice and dry. Now you can see the masalas have thickened well. Now add few curry leaves and finally add some coriander leaves and again mix it well. Now, finally, the mushroom ghee roast is ready to serve. You can enjoy this either as a starter or a side dish. Do try this recipe and enjoy. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.